Alright, I'm back with another box of Blizzard Legacy Collection here. I went to my local card shop. I was wanting to get some more Midnight Suns, but they're all out, so I guess I'll get another box of this. I did have some good luck on the first two I got from there, so let's see what we can get here. Yep. I mean, these are pretty good cards, so good products. So we can see what else we can get from these here. All right, let's go. These wrappers are easy to rip here. Malforin. Hopefully, I get some new cards here. Alera. Got that whatever. I forgot what's got the Harada Cube. Malferon. SCV Uther. I did get a comment on the last video about how I don't know how to pronounce some of these names, so that's always nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys been there before. You guys say a name for so long and no one ever corrects you, and then someone just tells you, hey, you're saying it wrong. Like, oh, okay, my bad. Diva. Green. Kim Rainer. Like this one. How do you pronounce this name? Maeve. Maeve. Shadow Sun. Maeve. Maeve. I call her Maeve all the time. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I don't think I ever heard anyone else say her name, or I never like checked how to say that name. Like Tyrande. Hey Tyrande. Oh, Tyrant. I don't know. Muradin. No, I'm just like stuck saying a bunch of words now. BlizzCon. Green. Articus. Mathel. So I'll pull like a gem on the last box. That was a couple. It seemed like a long time ago. Maybe it was only a month ago. Maybe a month or two ago. Bridget. Rexar. Another box. I did figure out how to put that together, so I'll show you guys what that looks like at the end here. Zoltankul. Been playing Diablo 4, the latest season. Not quite 100 yet. I still don't know how I feel about Diablo 4, but like when the seasons come out, I'll play for a week or two. Then alright, I'll wait for the next season. And now we're season 3. Been playing for about a week and a half. Sylvanas. Emotes. I think I got the same emote and put a purple one of this. But yeah. Been playing season 3 of Diablo. A couple weeks now, I don't know. Once I hit 100, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be playing that, so it's kinda like hit 100. What else are you gonna do now? I don't know. Farm. Create a new character. I don't know. Lost Vikings. Winston. BlizzCon card. Oh, was this a different? I'll check on the recap. I think sometimes they have different colors. I can't really tell sometimes. They have the rainbow colors too, some of these. So Blizzard. May. Garish. Another one of these. So you'll get enough to create your own there. Garish. Trying to get the, I think what is it, Molten Core Parallel. I'm not sure which one, the rarest one. Hopefully we can get something here. So far, not much. No, not much hits here so far. Lucio in the house. Lost Viking. What was a blue? No, this is just a regular. Yeah. That was a blue one. It's not. Green. Kira. Anduin. Zerling. We got a bunch of base here. I've been selling these on eBay, so if you guys want to help support or want some of these cards, you can go on eBay in my description information there and check out my eBay store. The Lost Vikings. Come on, man, we gotta get something good here. I know they got some like wood blocks in here too, something like that. I forgot what it was called, but come on, man. Got a lot of packs. Let's get something good. Something numbered. Genji. Lady Lurden. Another one of these. Blue. I mean, a blue rare is nice, but we want the spectacle, or I think it's the Molten Core. I think that's what they call it, Molten Core Parallel. And I think the blaster packs have the Horde Parallel, but I haven't bought any of the blaster packs yet. We got an Innkeeper here. So what's this? Blackthorn. We'll open that at the end, see what's inside. Yeah, hoping to get a bunch of boxes of different products coming in a couple weeks. So we'll see. It's not going to be Marvel. I think some Marvel, I forgot. And another Innkeeper. What? This is this green one. I gotta check. I think one of these might be like a rare Innkeeper's collection. But I'll check it out at the end here. These packs aren't opening like perfectly. Keep ripping on the side here. RPM Racing. Alright, we got one of these. Terran War Banners. Oh, there we go. A Spectacle. Horus Warfield. Thrall. There we go. It's a nice here. Spectacle. Thrall. Let's leave that up a little bit here. Kel'Thas. Sigma. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is Silver Ash. There we go. Gul'dan. Diablo. That's nice. Nice Diablo there. Not a lot of new products coming out. I was gonna get the Moon Knight Marvel Studios one, but I don't know, some of the Marvel Studios product have been kind of lacking, so I didn't go and get that. So, but I do like the Moon Knight though. Something I don't like is like it came out, the Moon Knight cards, but the series season 1 came out like almost 2 years ago. So So they've been waiting a long time to release those. So the buzz kind of dies there. So, but the only thing good is autos. But there's only like 2 per case, and it's kind of, I never got one of those autos before. So Murky, Tyrael, Genji, Ultimate Ready. What's this guy's name? Khadgar. Gul'dan. Let's toss in the wrappers. Medivh. Oh, this is a nice one. Zerg War Banners. It's got some sparkles on it, so it's got to be some kind of parallel or something. Oh, numbered 18 out of 49. Let's go. That's a nice numbered one. Abathur. Alright, let's go. Right when we got that, we got this Kargith Blade Fist. Also number 7 out of 99. This pack has 2 numbered cards. This one is a Disco Parallel. A nice numbered card. Not on 99. Look at that. That's nice. 2 numbered cards. So I think the last 2 boxes I had, the first 2 boxes I had, I don't think I got any numbered card. Now I got 2 in 1 pack. What the heck? Let's see what else we can get in. I mean, we did get a number. We got that triple gem. That's what we got. Which was numbered. Oh, Zoltan Kulle. Silver. Zoltan Kulle. From Diablo. Sleeve those up a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Bale. 2 packs left. See what we can get. I don't know if there's anything else we can get there. The number card's gone. All the other banners are gone. Arthas. Black Hand. Tysus. I don't know anymore. Let's go. Last pack magic. Let's go. Deathwing. Maeve. Erotic Cube. A blue Maeve. Again, I'm not sure if I'm saying her name right. Or his name. But let's do a recap here. Alright, do a recap here. So actually I was able to build a Erotic Cube with the ones I got last time here. So that's how it looks like if you wanted to take these out here. But some people like to just keep it like the card. But I'll just show you how it looked like when I took it out and put it together. Only took a few hours. I'm just kidding. Took a couple minutes. I did take a couple minutes though. So let's take, who's this? Reno Jackson. I'm not even sure that is. H23 and Dr. Boom, Mad Genius. And these are nice cards, mini cards here. And the backs. And we'll look at this one. What we got here. I'm not sure if any of these come numbered. The mini cards. I'm not sure. Mechathon. And it's coming with 3 cards. I missed one. What am I doing? Sociologist Militia. I don't know. Mechathon. Tuskar Totemic. And King Togwaggle. It's nice. And then the recap. The war banners we got: Terran, Horus, Warfield. Got this numbered war banner of Abathar, 18 out of 49. This disco parallel of Kargath Bladefist. Look at that shininess there. Disco. This one's numbered 7 out of 99. Thrall. Spectacle. Ash and Zoltan Cool Silver. Got Genji. Ultimate Ready. Zenyatta. Diva. Then the blues. And our stack of yellow and greens over there. This emotes. Wrecking Ball. And the BlizzCons. I like these collages. Got Jaina. Iron Fist. I don't remember his name. And yep, Tracer. You got Tyrael. That's from Heroes of the Storm. The mecha suit. Sylvanas. And a bunch of people. I have no idea who they are. But thanks for watching. And like, subscribe. Hopefully get some new products coming in a few weeks here. But thanks for watching anyways. Have a great day.